I asked ChatGPT how to make money using ChatGPT. If you haven't been living under a rock for like the last 2 months, you've probably heard of ChatGPT. Well, I feel like I'm saying ChatGPT way too much. But basically, it's this OpenAI resource that types out anything you want for it. You could be like, write me an article on how to budget my income better, and it'll type that article out for you. If it's not long enough, you can literally just be like, all right, make this article 1,000 words longer, and it'll do that in like 2 seconds. It's just crazy, man. So I decided to ask ChatGPT how to make money using itself, and the results are actually pretty good, but I was running into some problems at first because it would be telling me the same thing over and over. Like for number 2, it would say content creation, explain like how to do it. And then later on for like number 4 or 5, it would just say content creation again. And I'd just be like, what's going on? So I had to reword the questions like a lot. And after like a lot of regenerating, I ended up with 5 that I thought were pretty good ideas that I think you guys could try because they're things that I think I can do as a college student who doesn't really have a lot of time. And I didn't really want to use my brain that much because why else would we be using ChatGPT? Anyways, without further ado, here are 5 ways to make money using ChatGPT from ChatGPT. Okay, so number 1 is freelance writing. And this one's actually pretty interesting because you can sign up to be a freelancer for websites like Fiverr and Upwork and just charge like the minimum, like $5. It's not a lot, but if anyone ever like ends up buying or like telling you to write an article for like $5, you can literally just type into ChatGPT and it'll take 2 seconds. And just like that, a quick $5. But yeah, and then there's other websites like Textbroker and Pure Content where you get paid per word, which sounds insane, but I know that they're kind of shutting down or not allowing as many authors to come in because of ChatGPT and people having AIs write articles. I'd say get in early if you can. There might not even be any other websites open where you can really be paid to type, but if you can become a freelancer for like Fiverr or Upwork, I'd say that'd be your best bet. Okay, number 2 is trading crypto and stocks. So me personally, I'm not going to touch this one, but I know that this will probably be appealing to a lot of people. The reason I'm not really doing anything with this is because I've lost so much money in the past trading crypto and stocks and like trying to day trade. But with ChatGPT, you can actually create a bot or like a Pine script that will trade like when certain signals are hit. I know that there's many day traders out there that'll like look at the like things like the VWAP, MACD, EMA. So you can have the bot just automate the process for you so you don't have to be staring at your screen all day. Like you could be in bed at 9 a.m. and then the bot will be doing trades for you, like buying, selling. So it's really nice. I will say that if you're someone who doesn't really have a whole lot of money, there's like a $25,000 limit if you want to be day trading and you're limited to like 5 day trades a week. But if you trade with crypto, I'm pretty sure it's unlimited. So yeah, number 2 is trading stocks and crypto. Number 3 is creating courses. You can literally type out into ChatGPT, create a script for a course for how to budget my money better, how to do affiliate marketing, how to lose weight, that kind of stuff. And then it'll literally type out an entire course outline for you. And all you have to do is just say the voiceover and then try to sell it. The only problem with this one is if you don't really have a big audience at first, it can be kind of hard to really sell your product to anyone. Like for me on this YouTube channel, I'm pretty sure I have 0 subscribers right now. So it'd be hard for me to just like sell a course to you guys right now. So you kind of have to just make an audience first, like on Instagram, TikTok, like even YouTube. And then once you have the audience, it's easier to sell those courses. But yeah, for those of you that like have audiences, this one would probably be pretty good for you. And even if you don't have an audience, if you're someone who's just good at marketing products, this is a pretty good idea for you. Number 4 is generating business names. This one's probably not the lamest one, but it's probably the one that is the hardest to really make money with because there's only one winner that gets chosen per like contest. Like for Naming Force, there's a bunch of people that apply to have their name chosen for businesses. So what you would do basically is you would go to ChatGPT, and if it's like a sports company, you just type in, you could be like, give me 100 original sports brand names, and then it'll spew out 100 sports brand names, and then you can probably just like put all those, apply those names to Naming Force, and hopefully get chosen. But like I said, there's a problem with this because you obviously aren't gonna get chosen that often, and there's probably millions of other people trying to do this at the same time. So number 5 is content creation, and this one isn't really a direct way to make money. It's not like, oh, you're gonna make content and then that content's gonna instantly make you money. This one's kind of more of a long-term thing. You can use ChatGPT to just make you scripts for YouTube videos, scripts for articles, that kind of stuff. But yeah, like, what if I told you right now this entire video was scripted by ChatGPT? Like, you'd probably be thinking, oh man, no way. There's no way that like this is by ChatGPT. But what if I just told it to add like some specific insight? Like, you would never know. That's how good AI kind of is becoming right now. I will also say I wouldn't directly copy whatever script you get from ChatGPT because one, the information isn't up to date. I think it's stuck in like 2021 or something. And a lot of times it does sound pretty AI-like. You can obviously be like, oh, add humor, add the personality of this person, but I think it's best for you to really just go over it yourself, add your own originality to the content, and yeah, just look over it so it doesn't sound too like robotic or AI-like, you know? So yeah, number 5 is content creation, and this will just allow you to make an audience, which will help you with the things I said in the past, like creating courses or like selling courses to other people. So yeah, these are the best responses I got after regenerating from ChatGPT over and over again for the best ways to make money using ChatGPT. There's obviously other ways you can do it, but the only thing I'll say is get in early because not everybody really knows about AI. It's catching on pretty fast. It's getting super advanced. So the best thing you can really do is like utilize this while you can to make as much money as you can, like grow your business, grow your brand, gain an audience. Just take advantage of this so-called AI revolution that everybody on YouTube is talking about. And yeah, that'll do for this video, guys. Thanks for watching.